Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So, students, in this video, we are going to discuss about the advanced accounting subject which you are having for 80 marks question paper. So, before that, I want to tell you about the what are the syllabus content you are having, and especially for the students who are like not regular to the colleges, for them it will be useful. Okay, so try to adjust with the screen. So, I'm not having a particular big board to explain on the board, so that's why I have written here, so try to concentrate on. So BCom third semester students have advanced accounting subject. In that total 5 units you are having, ma. Okay. First unit is partnership accounts 1. Partnership. Second unit is partnership accounts 2. Third unit is companies account. Companies account, issue of shares, debentures, and underwritings, bonus shares. This all will include in third unit. Okay. Fourth unit, company final account and profit prior to incorporation. This is the fourth unit, and the fifth unit is valuation of goodwill and shares. So these are the 5 units which you are having in your advanced accounting semester 3. Okay, so as you all know, question paper pattern. Now I will discuss about the how you need to be like what are the content you are having, like that you need to be conscious. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, I hope that this is visible. Okay, syllabus content in unit number 1, mainly there are 4 topics, ma. Admission of partner, retirement of partner, death of a partner, and new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio will be asked for 4 marks, which is for part A. Admission of partner, retirement of partner, death of partner. Out of these 3, if you are perfect with any 2 of the methods, you can definitely score one long as well as one short. Okay, so this is a pakka question, new profit sharing ratio. So this is an important thing, problematic I am saying. So admission of partnership, retirement, and new profit sharing ratio, if you are be perfect with that, you can score 16 marks in this, because 12 marks is long. Okay, plus 4 marks is short, so total 16 marks. Okay, so don't try to neglect it now. Okay na. So second unit law. In second unit, what are the things you need to learn? Dissolution of a firm you are having, insolvency of a partner you are having, Garner versus Murray you are having. In both, in unit number 2, like 10A, 10B will be asked. Any one you need to attempt it, right? Any one you need to attempt it. So instead of learning all the topics, okay, instead of learning all the topics, out of this two will come for long 12 marks. So out of these two, if you are perfect with any of the thing, you can easily attempt one long, and in short they can ask a Gardner versus Murray theory question. I will discuss this in this next video. Okay, from unit number 2, if you are learning dissolution of a firm and Gardner versus Murray, then you can attempt a 12 marks question 1 and one short marks question, which is 16 marks. Here only you are getting first unit 16, second unit 16. Okay, so 32 marks you are attempting here. Okay students, so from unit number 3, you are having issues of shares, issues of bonus shares, and issues of debentures. Both the 3 problematic for long, which is important. So this you should learn, or else you can learn theory also. So in this unit, one theory and one problematic they will ask in the examination hall. Okay, so from unit number 4, company final accounts you are having, students. Okay, company final accounts you are having. In company's final accounts, definitely they will ask for long. In company's final accounts, what are the 2 topics you are having? P&L account and balance sheet. Okay, in company's final accounts, you need to buffer with P&L account and balance sheet. This will be enough. So, and the another thing is, they can ask a profit prior to incorporation for 12 marks. So, my suggestion is, out of these 2, if you are perfect with company's final accounts, then no need to learn profit prior to incorporation. If you are perfect with profit prior to incorporation, then no need to learn company's final account. Okay, by learning this, you can attempt one long problematic pakka question, so 12 marks. Okay, so uh, and the last unit which you are having is unit number 5, that is valuation of goodwill and valuation of shares. These both are important, ma. Okay, so in valuation of goodwill you are learning 3 methods. ఇందులో 3 methods ఉంటాయి: average profit method, super profit method, and capitalization method. Okay, సో కొన్నిసార్లు వాళ్ళు ఏమడుగుతాడు ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో అంటే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ వాల్యుయేషన్, సారీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ వాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్ విల్ అని అంటారు. అప్పుడు నువ్వు యావరేజ్ ప్రాఫిట్ మెథడ్ చేయాలి, సూపర్ ప్రాఫిట్ మెథడ్ చేయాలి, క్యాపిటలైజేషన్ మెథడ్ కూడా చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఒకవేళ నువ్వు వాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్ విల్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉన్నావనుకో, వాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్ నో నీడ్ టు లెర్న్. So out of these 2 concepts, prepare any one concept, that will be enough. Valuation of shares లో 3 methods ఉంటాయి: net assets method, yield basis method and fair value method. According to me, valuation of shares is very much important and it is easy to understand also. Okay students, so according to the this is, so in my videos what I will explain means chapter unit number 1 I will explain in one video, in unit number 2 one video I will explain whole chapter, and unit number 3 I don't know how to this I don't know this unit, so it's better to follow any other channels. And from unit number 4 also in one video I will explain both company's final account, P&L account and balance sheet. Okay, so I am giving this profit prior to incorporation as a choice to you. If you want to learn means you can learn. Okay, and from unit number 5, valuation of goodwill is there, valuation of shares also is there. So out of these two I'm preferring valuation of shares, which is easy to understand and easy to finish it off. Okay, so now in this video students what we will discuss means from unit number 1. Today in this video we will complete unit number 1. In unit number 1, what is the chapter name? Partnership accounts 1. In that, in the admission of partnership, if they are asking to calculate admission of partnership, then you need to prepare all these accounts. What are that accounts? Journal entries, revaluation account, partners capital account. If you want to prepare goodwill account you can prepare, or else no need. Cash or bank account, either cash account or bank account, which it will depends on the question. And the last one is balance sheet. Okay, సో ఒకవేళ అడ్మిషన్ ఆఫ్ పార్ట్నర్ అడిగితే ఇన్ని అకౌంట్స్ అనేది మీరు క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, సో నోట్ ఏంటి అని అంటే హింట్ మెయిన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఏంటంటే ఇన్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లయబిలిటీ సైడ్ మనకి ప్రొఫార్మాలో బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ క్వశ్చన్లో బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లయబిలిటీ సైడ్లో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ పిఎన్ఎల్ అకౌంట్ అమౌంట్ or else any general reserve amount, we need to share that amount to partners. Whatever the amount, like this type of amounts if you are finding in the liability side, we need to transfer and we need to share this amount to old partners. And in revaluation account, whatever in here we will calculate revaluation account in revaluation account whether we will get profit or loss, we need to share to old partners. Okay, so and new partner goodwill while entering into the business, sometimes new partner being goodwill after his capital also. సో ఒకవేళ థర్డ్ పార్ట్నర్ గుడ్విల్ తెస్తున్నాడు బిజినెస్లోకి అంటే ఆ గుడ్విల్ అనేది ఓల్డ్ పార్ట్నర్స్ వాళ్ళు షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి అకార్డింగ్ టు దేర్ ఓల్డ్ రేషియో. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, అకార్డింగ్ టు దేర్ ఓల్డ్ రేషియో. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ విల్ బి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్ టు ఓల్డ్ పార్ట్నర్స్. ఓకే, రీవాల్యుయేషన్ అకౌంట్లో ఏమొస్తుంది అని అంటే what are the things will come in revaluation accounts means in revaluation account this is the pro forma debit, credit. Okay, particulars amount like this you need to draw. Okay, so in debit whatever comes here it will start from to account to balance sheet, like that it will come. Okay, so here whenever the transaction is starting, whenever it is crediting means it is starting from buy. Okay, when asset is decreasing, liability is increasing, we need to enter in revaluation account debit side. When asset is increasing, liability is decreasing, we need to enter that in revaluation account credit side. Okay, సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఒకవేళ అసెట్స్కి లయబిలిటీస్కి సంబంధించిందే రీవాల్యుయేషన్ అకౌంట్లో వస్తుంది. ఓన్లీ ద థింగ్స్ అండ్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు అసెట్స్ అండ్ లయబిలిటీస్ will comes in revaluation account. Nothing will come in revaluation account other than this. If debit is showing less means we need to sell that we need to say that amount as a revaluation and profit. If credit is showing less amount, we need to say that revaluation account loss amount, whatever it may be. Okay, సో మీకు అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. రీవాల్యుయేషన్ అకౌంట్లో అసెట్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే లయబిలిటీస్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే, అసెట్స్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే లయబిలిటీస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే, ఈ అసెట్స్కి లయబిలిటీస్కి సంబంధించినదే వస్తుంది రీవాల్యుయేషన్ అకౌంట్లో, ఇంకా ఏమీ రాదు. ఈ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద కంటెంట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ revaluation account will be in question only. Okay students, so now we will discuss an example question paper which they have asked in November to December 2021 question paper. సో ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్ మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు ఈ వీడియోలో అర్థమైందా లేదా, 12 మార్క్స్కి వాళ్ళు ఎలా అడుగుతున్నారు అనేసి మీకు ఒక క్లారిటీ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, సో what the question they have asked, A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So A అనేటోడు B అనేటోడు partners అంట, they are sharing their profits in the ratio of 3/5 and 2/5. Okay, so A and B are old partners. సో వాళ్ళ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ అనేది ఉంది. Cash ఇచ్చినారు, stock ఇచ్చినారు, prepaid insurance, debtors, buildings, machinery, furniture. In liabilities, side creditors, outstanding liabilities, and capital amount. Here we are not finding any P&L account amount and general reserve amount. It will be okay. And next, here in the question, C admitted in company with a capital of 16,000. C is admitted into company. Okay, and how much he has brought as a capital? 16,000. The new profit sharing ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. This is not important for us. And here, adjustments. Stock is an asset. Stock is depreciated. Depreciated means decreased, which will come in revaluation account. Okay. Provision for doubtful debts is 500. Already they have calculated the amount and they have given 500. Furniture depreciated by 10%. Furniture is depreciated. Asset is depreciated. Revaluation account debit side వేసుకోవాలి. Buildings is valued at 19,000. Buildings is valued at 19,000 students. Okay, so actually in the question, what is the buildings amount? It is 14,000 only, but here it is showing 19,000. It is appreciated. Asset is increased. How much it is increased? Out of 14,000, 19,000 will be minus. Okay, so 5,000 is increased. Asset value of building is increased by 5,000. This 5,000 we need to put it down in the revaluation account credit side. Okay students, so now we will write the answer. Okay, so like this you need to make it 1 minute. Revaluation account, debit credit particulars amount, this is the pro forma. And partners capital account, particulars amount, particulars A partner is having, B partner is having, C partner is having. Debit side, credit side also particulars A, B, C. Okay students, so next, in question here they have given cash, so we need to prepare a cash account. If here it is provided like bank, okay, then we need to put like here bank account. We need to give the bank account also, debit credit particulars amount. Okay, and next, balance sheet. Here it is a balance sheet as on liabilities amount, asset amount. Okay students, so now we are starting an answer. First, make sure you are like giving all the columns. So for revaluation account cheyali and ante first మనం what we need to check, only adjustments. So here stock to be depreciated by 5%. What is the stock value? Here we are having 14,000 is the stock value, and here it is saying that 5% we need to depreciate it. Okay, so asset is decreasing. When asset is decreasing, we need to put that in revaluation account debit side. Okay, so here I am writing to stock. Okay students, how much? 5% on 14,000. Asset value is 14,000, right? 14,000 into 5%. It is 700. Here I am writing 700. Okay, next. What is the next transaction? Provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts, which is 500. When doubtful debt means on debtors. Debtors value is decreasing by 500, means asset is decreasing. When asset is decreasing, we need to put that in revaluation account debit side to provision for doubtful debts, bad debts. Okay, so how much? 500. Okay students, 500. Okay, over. Next, here, furniture depreciated by 10%. Furniture is depreciated by 10%, it seems. Furniture value is 9,000. Depreciated means asset is decreasing. How much it is decreasing on 9,000? 9,000 into 10%. Into 10%. 900. Asset is decreasing. Here we need to write to furniture. How much it is decreasing? 900. Okay, and the last one is buildings is valued at 19,000. Actually the buildings value is 14,000 only, and here it is valued at 19,000. Whether it is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Asset is increasing. How much it is increasing? 14,000 we are having. Now it is have 19,000. How much it is increasing? 5,000 it is increasing. When asset is increasing means where we need to put it down? Revaluation account, credit side. Buy, it is starts from buy buildings 5,000. Okay, next adjustments is over, so revaluation account is also over. Okay, we should consider this. For revaluation account you need to check only adjustments, no need to check any question or anything. Okay, just here 5,000 is increasing. Okay, debit and credit we need to total it, students. Okay, here we are having 700 plus 500 plus 900, 700 plus 500 plus 900. Here we are having 2,100 only. Here we are having 5,000. 5,000 is more, no, just we need to give this more to, we need to equalize this. Okay, here we are having 5,000, here also we are having 5,000. How much it is not there? Debit is showing less, no, how much it is showing less? 5,000 minus 2,100, which it means 2,900, right? So what we need to call this as a revaluation and profit. To revaluation ప్రాఫిట్, దీన్ని మనం ఏమంటాము? రీవాల్యుయేషన్ ప్రాఫిట్ అని అంటాము. ఇక్కడ చూసాం కదండి, రీవాల్యుయేషన్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఆర్ లాస్ we need to distribute to old partners in their old ratio which it comes in partners capital account. So no need to worry here. Okay, 2,900 plus 900 plus 500 plus 700, which it means 5,000. Okay, plus 900 plus 700 plus 500, which it means 5,000 over. Next, what we need to do? Partners capital account. How we need to do partners capital account? This is the pro forma, students. Okay, so as I said, this is the pro forma, and next what you need to do is just we need to open the balances. Actually, students, here it is a doubtful provision for doubtful debts is only 100. By mistakenly, I have written 500. So just here I am making 100, and here also I am making 100 here. So 700 plus 800, 800 plus 900 is 1,700. In 5,000, what is the deduction value? 3,300, not 2,900. 3,300. Okay, so here I am putting that mistake. Okay, 3,300 is the revaluation profit. Okay, students, now we need to do partners capital account. To start a partners capital account, here it is starting by balance brought down. Here we need to enter the partners capital account. In question we are having here capitals. A capital is 19,000, B capital is 14,000, and we need to enter that. Okay, so A capital is 19,000, B capital is 14,000. Okay, here C is not having. Now here C is admitted into a company with capital of 16,000. How we need to write that? By cash account, because in question we are having cash account, that's why I'm writing here cash account. Or else if it is having bank means we should write here bank. How much he is introducing? 16,000 he is introducing, right, students? So in partners capital account, in partners capital account, what I have said, revaluation profit or loss is, if we are getting revaluation profit we need to share that into a partners capital. If we are getting revaluation loss also, we need to share that loss to partners capital, that is also old partners. Okay, here it is debiting. In partners capital account it will credit. If your revaluation loss is crediting means in partners capital account it will debit. Okay, so by revaluation profit, so we need to share this 3,300 to old partners A and B according to the ratio of 3:2. Okay, 3,300 is the revaluation profit. A's ratio is 3 by 5, B's ratio is 2 by 5. Okay, so now we will consider A's ratio. How we should consider A's ratio? 3,300 into 3 divided by 5. How much is the sharing ratio of A? 1980 is the A's share. Okay, so same like that only. 3,300 into 2 divided by 5. How much he is sharing? B is sharing 1320. 1320, that's it. Okay, So in partners capital account, rather than this, nothing will come in partners capital account, students. So this is the thing. Here in credit side, nothing is there. If in revaluation account loss is there, means we will share that loss here. Okay. So here now present nothing is there. Just we need to total it. Okay. So of course credit is giving highest number of values. So here for A's, 19 plus 19,000 plus 1980. 19,000 plus 1980. How much it is? 20,980. And for B's, 14,000 plus 1320. It is 15,320. And the C's is 16,000. Just we need to tallying it. So 20,980, 15,320 and 16,000. So here nothing is there. No, we need to carry down this balance. Balance brought down, and here we need to carry down it. To balance carry down. తక్కువ ఉంది కదండి, డెబిట్ సైడ్లో ఏం లేదు. హౌ మచ్ ఇక్కడ జీరో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎంత తక్కువ ఉంది? 20,980 ఏకి తక్కువ ఉంది, 15,320 బికి తక్కువ ఉంది, సికి ఏమో 16,000 తక్కువ ఉంది. ఓకే, ఓవర్ students, over. Next, what we need to do? Cash account. In asset side they have given cash account, so we are doing cash account. So here, to balance brought down. To balance brought down, how much is the cash value here? 1,000, right? So 1,000. And the next thing is third partners, new partner capital we are sharing to cash account, right? So we should share that into a cash account to C's capital account. How much? 16,000. That's it. Just we are totaling it. Okay. So 16,000 plus 1,000, 17,000. And here also 17,000. How much we need to carry down here? By balance carry down 17,000. This is the new cash value which we need to enter this value only in balance sheet. Okay students, so I have done a revaluation account, partners capital account and a cash account also. Now we need to do the balance sheet. Okay, so first I will do the liability side. In liability side we are having creditors, right? In question, what is the amount of creditors? 28,500. Okay. And the next thing, what you are having? Outstanding liabilities. Outstanding liabilities. How much we are having outstanding liabilities? 3,000. And the last one is capitals. What is the A capital, what is the B capital, and what is the C capital? For this amount, we need to look into a partner's capital account. How much we are carried down? 20,980, 15,320 and 16,000. 20,980. Here C is 16,000 and the B's value is 15,320. Over. Credit side is over. Now we need to do the asset side also same. After putting all the things, the balance should be tallied. Okay. So the balance sheet should be tallied. Okay. So now we will discuss now cash. Cash actually in question, how much they are giving? 1,000 only they have given. But we have calculated new cash account, right? How much we are getting? 17,000. That only we should put it here. 17,000. Okay. Next, what we are having? Stock. Stock value is 14,000 students. Depreciation is there? No. How much depreciation? Depreciation. How much we have depreciated here? 700. Okay. So just we need to deduct that 700 in from 14,000. Okay. So 14,000 minus 700 is 13,300. Okay. 13,300 is the stock value. And the next, what we are having? Prepaid insurance. There is no adjustment, so that's why I'm putting that value into a outer column, 500. And the next is debtors. Debtors value is 8,400. 8,400 is the value, and the doubtful debts is 500, right? So it is, we are having 7,900 and 7,900 we will get. Okay, after deducting. Okay students, so now buildings is appreciated. So buildings value is 14,000 plus appreciation, no? How much it is appreciated? 5,000. Total 19,000. And next what we are having? Machinery. Machinery, there is no adjustment, I think. So just I'm putting that value in the outer column. And the last one is furniture. Furniture amount is 9,000 minus depreciation we are having, no? Depreciation, how much is depreciation value? 900. 9,000 minus 900. 8,100 is the answer. Just we need to total it, whether it is tallying it or not. Okay, first we will make a calculator of credit side. 2,85,500, 28,500 plus 3,000 plus 20,980 plus 15,320 plus 16,000. So students debit, liabilities amount and asset amount was getting tallied. Here we are getting 83,800. Here also we are getting 83,800. So this is the way to add or to do the admission of partnership. It is an easy thing and this is an important for long. సో టైం లేదు కాబట్టి బేసిక్గా చెప్పాను, డీటెయిల్గా అయితే ఏం చెప్పలేదు అమ్మ. సో ఎవరైతే ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటారో ప్రిపరేషన్ అనేది, సో వాళ్ళకి ఈజీగా అర్థమయ్యే విధంగా చెప్తున్నాను, ఓకేనా. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ డన్ అ మిస్టేక్ హియర్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ డన్ ఎ మిస్టేక్ ఇన్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్, out of 12 marks only 3 to 4, not 3 to 4, 3 marks will be or 2 marks will be deducted, not more than that will be deducted, okay. So this is the thing you need to understand it. Just concentrate on this, whatever I have said in this video. It will be definitely useful to you, okay. So students debit, liabilities amount and asset amount was getting tallied. Here we are getting 83,800. Here also we are getting 83,800. So this is the way to add or to do the admission of partnership. It is an easy thing and this is an important for long. సో టైం లేదు కాబట్టి బేసిక్గా చెప్పాను, డీటెయిల్గా అయితే ఏం చెప్పలేదు అమ్మ. సో ఎవరైతే ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటారో ప్రిపరేషన్ అనేది, సో వాళ్ళకి ఈజీగా అర్థమయ్యే విధంగా చెప్తున్నాను, ఓకేనా. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ డన్ అ మిస్టేక్ హియర్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ డన్ ఎ మిస్టేక్ ఇన్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్, అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 12 marks only 3 to 4, not 3 to 4, 3 marks will be or 2 marks will be deducted, not more than that will be deducted, okay. So this is the thing you need to understand it. Just concentrate on this, whatever I have said in this video. It will be definitely useful to you, okay. Students, now we will discuss retirement of partners. Retirement is also a simple thing if you know the admission of partnership. So admission in retirement we will only make three accounts, that is revaluation account and partners capital account and balance sheet. Okay, revaluation account is same, balance sheet is also same, but only thing is in partners capital account only we will learn new things, okay. So when a partner is retiring, when a goodwill amount is given in the question, what we need to do, that goodwill amount means, for example, A, B, C are partners, ma. Wait 1 minute. For example, A, B, C are partners sharing profits and losses in the equal share they are sharing, okay. So equally they are sharing. So what happened means A decided to retire from the company. So if in question goodwill amount is there, means goodwill amount is 10,000. So it is this 10,000, what we need to do means, who is retiring? A is retiring. What is the A's share? 10,000 into 1 divided by 3. A's share is 3,333. This share, what we need to do means, this amount we need to share this to old partners. This amount only we need to share to old partners. That is the thing you are learning in this retirement. Rather than this, all is equal. Okay, so first we need to find the amount, that how much is retired person is receiving. Then after that, what is we need to do, if that in credit partners capital account, retired partners will pay that goodwill to existing partners. Retired partner is paying to existing partners and old partners are receiving, means we need to put that amount on debit side. So these are all capital adjustments. Now we will discuss about the question so that it will be useful to you. Okay, so this question was asked in 2022 March 2022 question paper. What they have asked: Nikita, Ravi and Teja were carrying on business in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. So Nikita, Ravi and Teja ఏంటంటే old partners sharing their profit and loss in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. The following are the balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. Okay. So after that what they have given, Ravi is retired from the organization, it seems. So Ravi is retiring. Ravi's share is 2. Okay. So Ravi's share is 2. Ravi is retiring. Here it is all we need to do that in revaluation account. In third point, goodwill of the firm valued at 36,000. Goodwill amount they have given. What we need to do means we will tell in the we will discuss while doing the answer. And 20,000 to be paid to Ravi immediately. Ravi is retiring. The remaining partners who is there, Nikita and Teja, paying 20,000 to Ravi. Immediately they are paying to 20,000. Okay. So prepare revaluation account and capitalization, capital accounts and balance sheet. To prepare revaluation account, what it will come? Assets increases and decreases, what that will come. Okay. Buildings appreciated. Appreciated means we need to give it in a credit side. So buy buildings. So how much it is appreciating? Direct amount they have given 28,000. So 28,000 here I am writing. Okay. And the next thing is provision for bad debts 10% on debtors. Asset value is decreasing. Debtors value is 52,000. So asset is decreasing means debit side. To provision for bad debts. So 52,000 into 10%. How much it will get? I think 5,200, right? 52,000 into 10%, 5,200. That's it. Remaining anything is else? Nothing is there. Okay. So just we need to do the total. Debit is showing 5,200. Credit is showing 28,000 only. 28 is the highest. So we are adding, equalizing the both. And in 28,000, how much by deducting 5,200 means how much? 22,800 is the to revaluation account profit. Revaluation account profit means just we need to deduct 5,200 from 28,000. We will get 22,800. This amount we need to share to partners, right? We need to share to partners, no? So that's the reason. Same thing you will have, nothing to worry about it. Okay. So that same thing only you will learn here. Just one small adjustment it will be there. Okay. So the thing is, how much is the answer? 22,800. Now we will do partners capital account. By balance brought down. What is the capital accounts amounts? 60,000, 40,000, 40,000. Here I am writing. Sorry, 1 minute. 60,000, 40,000. Here also 40,000. Next, revaluation account profit we need to share to old partners. No, revaluation old partners ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 1. So 22,800 into 3 divided by 6, 22,800 into 2 divided by 6 into 1 divided by 6. Just we need to do that. 22,800 into 3 divided by 6. How much it is? 11,400. What is that? By revaluation account profit. Next, 22,800 into 2 divided by 6. 7,600. Next, 22,800 into 1 divided by 6. That is 3,800 over. Next, in the question, what they have given, goodwill amount is 36,000. Okay, students, here you listen carefully so that you will get to know. Goodwill amount is 36,000. Here I am writing. Okay, 36,000. So this 36,000 we need to share to the retired person. How much is the sharing ratio? 3 is to 2 is to 1. Ravi's ratio is 2 by 6, right? 36,000 into 2 divided by 6 means how much we will get that goodwill amount? 36,000 into 2 divided by 6. 12,000. This 12,000 we need to share to the existing partners, right? Ravi is sharing this his goodwill to remaining partners. So remaining partners is evaru Nikita and Teja. Nikita's like 12,000 into, so 3 is to 3, 3 is to 2 is to 1 is the ratio. Now Ravi is not there. No, 3 is to 1. 3 by 4, 1 by 4. So 12,000 into 3 by 4, 12,000 into 1 by 4. First Ravi is sharing his 12,000. No. So where we need to do where we need to enter that in the partner's capital account means 12,000 we need to enter it, ma. How we need to enter? Ravi is transferring to Nikita and Ravi is transferring to Teja also. So here I am writing. By Nikita goodwill account. So Ravi is sharing 9,000 of Nikita's share. So here I am putting here. Okay. So next, he is sharing to Teja also. No, Teja goodwill account. How much he is sharing? 3,000 is he sharing. Total 12,000 he is sharing, ma. So here he is sharing means here they are receiving, no. So here in debit side Nikita and Teja are receiving his goodwill account. So to what we should write here, to goodwill account. How much Nikita is receiving? 9,000. How much Teja is receiving? 3,000. That's it. Okay. Next, in the question, this is over. This point is also over. 20,000 paid immediately to Ravi. How much we are paying to Ravi? 20,000 to Ravi account. How much we are paying? 20,000 Ravi is receiving. Over, students. That's it. We are paying, Ravi is receiving. That's side, debit side. Okay. Just we need to total it. Okay. So here Nikita is 60,000 plus 11,400. 71,400 is the highest answer. So I am putting this on both, minus 9,000. 9,000 here we are having, no, 9,000 we are deducting. So that is 62,400. So what is this 62,400? To carry down balance, no, 62,400 to balance carry down. Okay. Next, Ravi's credit amount is 40,000 less 7,600 plus 9,000 plus 3,000. Total is 59,600. In that we are paying 20,000 immediately. No, here we have paid 20,000. So I am deducting. More, how much is there? 59,600 minus 20,000. More, how much is there? 39,600. We should, what they have said here, remaining balance should be treated as a loan account. So here we are writing Ravi's loan account. How much it is? 39,600. Okay. So 40, here I am adding the Teja also, 40, 43,800. 43,800 minus 3,000. So it means 40,800, right? So that is the carried on balance. Over, students, that's it. So what we need to do, just we need to balance that amount in the balance sheet. Creditors is 23,360. Here I am writing creditors 2,360. And next what we are having in liability sides, bills payable. Bills payable. How much is bills payable? 52,000. Okay, students. Next, capitals. Existing partners is only Nikita and Teja. Nikita and Teja amount is how much? Here, 62,400, 40,800. 62,400, 40,800. We have paid to Ravi, no? That is a liability only, no? So, Ravi account, how much we have paid? 20,000. So, remaining amount also we have carried as an Ravi's loan account, no? So, it is also a liability. How much we have carried? 39,600. That is also a future liability of that, no ma. So that's why I'm saying this is the liability side. Now in asset side, cash is there. Cash is 3,600. I'm putting that cash amount here. Cash 3,600. And next what we are having, debtors. Debtors we are having adjustment, no? So what is the adjustment? Minus provision for bad debts. So what is the debtors value is 52,000, and 10% of that means 5,200. After deducting 5,200 from 52,000 means what will be the answer? 46,800 will be the answer in the output column. Stock is not at all having any like adjustment, so here I am writing stock. Next, furniture also we are not having any adjustment, so I am just adding that value here. Furniture 12,000. And the next is buildings is appreciated by 28,000, no? Increase it to 28,000 plus 28,000. What is the buildings value? 80,000. 80,000 plus 28,000, 1,08,000. So this is the thing you need to do in the balance sheet. And assets and liabilities should be get tallied, ma. So this is the answer. So just we will do here 1,08,000 plus 12,000 plus 46,760 plus 46,800 plus 36 3,600. That is 2,17,160 is the answer. Here also whether we are getting or not we will see. 2,360 plus 52,000 plus 62,400 plus 40,800 plus 20,000 plus 39,600. Sorry, 39,600. 2,17,160 we are getting now. So like this we need to do it. Okay. So this is all about the video, students. So in this video we have learned admission of a partner and retirement of a partner. If you are doing any calculations mistakes means only 2 to 3 marks only will be get deducted. So nothing to worry about that. So don't worry about that. Just concentrate on whatever I have discussed. So now we will discuss about the new profit sharing ratio and we will wind up the class. Okay. Students, now we will discuss new profit sharing ratio calculation, which is definitely they will ask for short problematic. Okay, so how we need to calculate, how the question will be means X, Y, Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2, means 5 by 10, 3 by 10, and 2 by 10. They admitted A. A is entering into the business, and they said that 1/5 of the share of future profits. So what will be the find new profit sharing ratio? A is entering into the business. Then what will be the ratio of the four partners? Now we will need to do like that. Okay. Like this question will be asked in part A, students. So just we will need to write like this. First of all, we need to write like this. Old partners ratio is old partners ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2, right? New profit sharing ratio of a new partner is new profit ratio is equal to 1/5 share, right? Okay, this is the new partner's future ratio, right? So remaining ratio we need to calculate it. Okay, how we need to calculate remaining ratio? How we need calculate remaining ratio means we should assume the business profit as 1. Okay, 1 minus new profit, new partners, new sharing ratio. 1 minus 1 by 5. What will be the answer? 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 5 is the remaining profit. So, what will be the formula of new profit sharing ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio into new ratio is the formula of new profit sharing ratio. So, first we will need to calculate x. What is the old ratio of x? 5 divided by 10. 5 divided by 10 into what is the new ratio? 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5. 5 into 4. 5 fours are 20 divided by 10 fives are 50. Okay, like that only y also. Y's old ratio is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into new ratio is 4 by 5. 4, 3 fours are 12. Okay, 10 fives are 50. Like that only z also. Z old ratio is 2 by 10. New ratio is 4 by 5. 4 twos are 8. 10 fives are 50. This is the profit. And the last new partner is share is 1 by 5. Okay. So what will be the new profit sharing ratio? Therefore, new profit sharing ratio is equal to new profit sharing ratio is equal to 20 by 50 is to 12 by 50 is to 8 by 50 is to 10 by 50. Here 0 0 we are adding to increase the numbers. Okay, so this is the new profit sharing ratio. 20 is to 12 is to 8 is to 10. This is the answer. Like this, you need to calculate a new profit sharing ratio, which is a compulsory and important question for short, which you can score 4 marks by doing this. Okay, hope you like this video. So this is about the new profit sharing ratio, students. So this is all about the students video. I hope that you have got clarity about the chapter number 1, that is partnership account. By practicing this video, you can score 16 marks definitely. Okay, one long and one short. In short, they can ask sacrificing ratio and theory questions also they may ask, but new profit sharing ratio is 100% is important only. So that's why I have explained you. Okay, so start your preparation. I hope that this video will be helpful, and do comment me in the comment section how you felt about my explanation, and also comment me that whether you have watched full video or not. Okay, so all the very best for your preparation, and all the very 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 best for the examination. Quick revision video also I will upload soon, so try to practice it well and try to score good marks in this subject. Advanced accounting is a very easy subject, no need to worry about it, students. Okay, if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel, and share with all your friends and groups. Okay, this video will be useful for the students who asked me uh, to do the videos. Okay, so I hope that for them I have done this video. So please try to watch fully and try to score good marks in the examination too. Okay, so once again, all the very best, students. See you all next video. Bye bye.